In this video, I will show you how to enable IMAP in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go to Gmail and log in to your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to come to this icon here that says Settings. Click on See Your Settings and go to the Forwarding and POP or IMAP section. Now, this is the forwarding section, this is the POP section, this is the IMAP section. By default, IMAP is activated. Once it's activated, this is what it will look like. Now, these are just a few settings that you can set to enable your IMAP. Now, what IMAP does is it allows you to access your Gmail via other applications. Once you connect third-party applications to your Gmail, you can access your inbox and other stuff. And once that's done, you click on Save Changes and your IMAP is enabled. Now, that's how you enable IMAP in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.